guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing an answering my assumptions wala video. So yeah, I'm going to be answering all your assumptions that you all had asked me quite a lot of assumptions, so I'm going to be answering and telling you if those are true or false. So let's begin. The first assumption is you have a very good love life. No. The next one is I assume a lot of people hate you and bully you. So I don't know about bullying, but yeah, a lot of people do hate me, and so yeah, I have always done what I love doing, and earlier I did used to get affected by these hate comments, even on YouTube and in real life also. In school I was hated by a lot of people and it bothered me at first. It really affected me, but now it actually doesn't. I know people who act like they're my best friend and then they go ahead and bitch about me. So these things have actually made me much stronger and better as a person, because I really don't care now. I'm doing my own thing. I don't care what people say. So yeah, and about bullying, I don't think I've been bullied, like not actual literal bullying, so no. The next question is, assumption is, I assume that you're very confident because you're so talented and you just know what you're doing always. So first of all, thank you. And no, I don't know what I'm doing always. I'm actually so confused all the damn time. I really don't know what I'm doing, where I'm at. But yeah, I think I can say that I am very confident. I think if somebody asks me what's the best thing about me, I always say my confidence, because I'm not scared of anything. And so yeah, I don't know if my confidence comes because I am talented, but it's always been there. Like since day one, I'm very confident about myself. So yes. Somebody said you're rich. No. Somebody said your parents aren't that strict. So this is kind of true and kind of not. My parents are strict for things that they need to be strict for, but otherwise they're actually chill and cool. Yeah, they let me do my thing and they respect what my opinions are, but they get strict where they have to be strict or where it's necessary. So yeah. Awesome fashion sense and great singer. Thank you. I can't really say it's true or not, but I feel it is, so thank you. You're putting efforts and hopes into some relationships which aren't reciprocated equally, and you're torn about what to do. So I would have said true to this, I think around I would say 2 months ago, 3 months ago, 4 months ago, but now I would say it's false, because in this lockdown I think I have evolved so much personally as a human, and I've actually stopped caring after school was over. So I wouldn't say it's true right now, but it would have been. Not a current assumption but a past one. Okay, to me you seemed a bit lost navigating between different paths. So I don't know what paths you're talking about, but I was definitely lost and confused. I still am, but yeah, as you said, it's a past assumption. In the past I was actually so lost and confused between everything, friends, studies, myself. So yeah, it's true. Assumed about you that you're popular. Yeah. You're a bully at school, college. So no, I'm not in college yet. College hasn't started, and I've not been a bully in school. There have been incidences where I've made fun of people, but not bully karne ke intention se. And if I have bullied somebody unintentionally, then I'm really sorry about that, but I don't think I was a bully. Here's an advice: no matter how much people hate you or criticize you, it will be best that you forgive them and move on. You're the person I've come across and you're doing a great job. Best person I've come across and you're doing a great job. That's all I got. Keep on shining. So thank you. And I don't need to forgive anybody. If they're criticizing me or hating me, it's their opinion. They don't want my forgiveness and they don't need my forgiveness, because they're just going to keep on doing what they want to do. But yeah, that's true. Thank you so much. I assume that you're really rich and you get whatever you ask for without any convincing your parents. So I don't think that's true. If I don't really need something, I don't buy it. But not expensive things, but clothes and stuff like that, that's fine. My parents get me that, and I also get my own pocket money and I save my own money, so I can buy it with that money as well. Assumption, Disha Lilani is your sister. No, I said in my previous video that she's an online friend that I recently met, and she's like one of my best friends already. We haven't even met each other. She's so sweet. She's literally like a twin. Her birthday is like 2 days before mine, and we love the same things, the same singers, the same kind of food. Everything about us is the same, but we're friends. We're best friends, we're not sisters. The next assumption is that you're really into fashion, makeup, beauty, and also singing and dancing, and you score really decent marks, and you have a good social life, and you have great editing skills and tech skills. So basically you're an all-rounder. Thank you. I mean, I think it's true. Assumption, you don't like many people and don't want negativity around you, and hence it's difficult for you to make friends and stick to them. Yeah, it's true. I don't want any negativity around me, and I've recently like started cutting off people who actually are toxic in my life, and I finally got the guts to like really cut them off. So yeah, it's difficult for me to make friends. I mean, it's very easy for me to make friends, but it's very difficult for me to stick to them without any drama or without any problems, because I am a kind of person that attracts drama. I don't know why. So yeah, and if they're also negative, then it's like really difficult. You're allowed to do whatever you want and nobody stops you. It's false. I mean, my parents are Indian parents, so they are gonna stop me if I'm doing something wrong, but otherwise it's chill. I don't even do that kind of stuff Joe people would want to stop me for. So you only hang out with Vidhi because you're friends from a long time. No, if I lol, no, I don't hang out with her just because we're friends from a long time. She's my bestest friend ever, and we do not agree on a lot of things. We don't have the same opinions, but still she feels me and I feel her. We are each other's go-to person, and I love her so much. I think I love her the most. Yeah. Bro, your YouTube videos are lit AF. I was binging all of them yesterday, waiting for the next one. When are you uploading? I don't know when this is going up, but thank you so much. That's so sweet. Love your fashion sense and hoping to learn your makeup skills once. Thank you. Watch my tutorials. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. These are all the assumptions that I found interesting, and I picked some of these. Most of them are repetitive, like your rich wala and your parents are cool. They were like very repetitive, so I did not include them. But yeah, this is all for my assumptions video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.